Does your coffee taste bitter, weak, or just off? Chances are your coffee machine needs a deep clean. Today, I'll show you how to decale and deep clean your coffee machine like a pro, so your coffee tastes fresh and delicious again. Let's get started. Welcome back to Brewfix, the place where we fix, restore, and keep your coffee flowing. If you love your daily brew and want to keep your machine running perfectly, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Over time, limescale, coffee oils, and mineral buildup clog your coffee machine. This not only ruins the taste of your espresso, but it can also damage the internal parts, costing you expensive repairs. The good news? With the right steps, you can keep your machine healthy and your coffee tasting amazing. Here's what you'll need today: descaling solution, or white vinegar if you're in pinch, clean water, a microfiber cloth, small brush or toothbrush, empty container or carafe. Step 1. Prep the machine. Empty the water tank, drip tray, and any leftover coffee grounds. Step 2. Mix the solution. Fill your water tank with the descaling solution and water, following the instructions on the bottle. Step 3. Run the cycle. Turn on your machine and let the solution run through as if you were making coffee, but without any coffee inside. This will break down the limescale inside your boiler and pipes. Step 4. Rinse thoroughly. Now refill the tank with clean water and run it through 2 to 3 times. This flushes out any leftover solution, so your coffee won't taste like chemicals. Step 5. Exterior and group head clean. Wipe down the outside with a microfiber cloth and use your brush to scrub around the group head or coffee spout. This removes coffee oils that build up and cause bitterness. And that's it. Your machine is now sparkling clean, and your coffee will taste as fresh as the day you bought your machine. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves coffee. Subscribe to Brewfix for more coffee machine repairs, maintenance tips, and pro hacks. Until next time, keep brewing fresh.